Hello, this is your Korean best friend's Feng Shui show. As you can see, I have changed my YouTube channel's name because from now on, I'm going to be posting a lot of varieties of things apart from Feng Shui. So today, it's a bit scary to hear, but I'm going to be talking about knives. But rather than what kind of knives are good, let's look at how to keep knives safe. That helps us not disturb our lives. There are knives in the kitchen, plastic knives for children, and various knives at home and at work. This includes sharp tools that can become weapons. When we cook, we use a lot of knives and scissors, not only in the kitchen, but in various spaces. We use a lot of sharp tools. Fortunately, tools such as saw and screwdrivers are well placed in the toolbox after use, but knives and scissors are usually placed on the sink or in the knife storage area on the table. To start with, it's very important to make a storage box inside the sink for sharp things like knives and scissors, or buy a knife storage box that sticks to the inside of the sink door. If you put in a knife next to the cutting board to make it easier to use, not only can children pull the knife and play with them, but strangers can use it badly. There is also the purpose of preventing such dangerous accidents. But in Feng Shui, as the kitchen is one of the most important places to increase money luck, sharp objects and cold iron tools can hurt family members and hinder the rise of money luck. In addition, in the kitchen, a hot gas stove and a fridge should not be placed next to each other. This is because you want to make sure that your money luck flows smoothly, meaning you will have more luck when earning money. Of course, when you can't put the stove and fridge apart, you can solve the problem by placing plants in the middle of or anything else that you might have inside your home. It's best to keep sharp steel objects such as knives and scissors out of sight. If stored without drying completely, it can be deformed, so of course you should dry it well or wipe it with dry cloths and store it inside. Also, there are many people who just use it even if the handle is a little cracked or the blade is dull, because it's a knife that was given from an important person as a gift or because it is meaningful. When the knife or scissors are scratched or the plastic part is cracked, you must replace it with a new one. All household appliances and kitchen utensils such as ceramic bowls need to be replaced quickly if they are cracked or the paint is drying up and falling apart. If you can see that knife or scissors in the kitchen right now, put it inside your cabinet or under the kitchen sink. Your wallet will get thicker and your family will be healthier. Have a great day today, and remember that I will always help you with good information so that you are full of luck. Don't forget to subscribe and click the like button. Thank you.